Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to check time spent on Instagram. Friends, if due to any reason you want to see the average time spent by you on Instagram app in last 7 days, then you simply need to open Instagram app. In Instagram app, you need to press on the profile icon. Here you need to press on three lines. Now press on settings and privacy. Now press on time spent. Now it will show the average of last 7 days. Like in my case, it is showing 6 minutes average time I have spent on Instagram app. Friends, if you use Instagram app regularly, then from here you can very easily check the time spent by you on Instagram app per day. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.